Thanksgiving dinner staple is stuffing. We're going to do a little twist on perhaps a staple that you're familiar with. We're going to use chicken sausage, and instead of standard bread, we're going to use some corn muffins. After we caramelize the sausage on the simmer plate, we're going to remove that from the pan so that we don't dry it out. By using the same pan, we can caramelize our vegetables, add some fresh sage, a touch of stock, and then thicken our stuffing using the cornbread muffin and some torn baguette.